Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Learn Day by Day. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Already we know India is a very beautiful country. Some amazing are there in the video. Let's go and see largest, longest, highest in India. First, the longest river in India, Ganga River. Ganga flows through India and Bangladesh. This river rises in the western Himalayas in the state of Uttarakhand. The largest lake in India, Ular Lake in Jammu and Kashmir. It is one of the largest freshwater lake in Asia. It is sited in Bandipora district in Jammu and Kashmir. The largest express highway in India, Agra-Lucknow Express Highway. It is constructed by Uttar Pradesh Expressways to reduce traffic. The tallest statue in India, Statue of Unity, 182 meter. It is the Statue of Independence activist Vallabhbhai Patel, who was the first Deputy Prime Minister and Home Minister of independent India. The largest national park in India, Emis National Park of Jammu and Kashmir. It is a high altitude national park in Ladakh, globally famous for its snow leopards. The largest forest cover in India, Madhya Pradesh, 77,522 square kilometer. The longest national highway in India, National Highway 44. It is the longest running major north-south national highway in India. It passes from Jammu and Kashmir to Kanyakumari. The highest mountain in India, Kanchenjunga. It is the third highest mountain in the world. The largest state in India, Rajasthan. It is a state in northern India. The largest fort in India, Chittorgarh. It is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The fort was the capital of Mewar. It is located in Rajasthan. The longest beach in India, Marina Beach in Chennai. It is the world's second longest beach. The largest island in India, Majuli Island in Assam. It is a river island in the Brahmaputra River in Assam. The longest bridge in India, Dola Sadia Bridge. It is a beam bridge in India connecting the northeast state of Assam and Arunachal Pradesh. The largest museum in India, Indian Museum in Kolkata. It is also referred to as the Imperial Museum at Calcutta. It is the 9th oldest museum in the world. The longest tunnel in India, Atal Tunnel, Manali to Ladakh. It is a highway tunnel built under the Rohtang Pass. It is named after former Prime Minister of India, Atal Bihari Vajpayee. The tallest dam in India, Tehri Dam in Uttarakhand, multi-purpose rock and earth-fill embankment dam. The longest dam in India, Hirakud Dam in Odisha. It is built across the Mahanadi River, about 15 km. The largest desert in India, Thar Desert. It is also known as Great Indian Desert. It forms a natural boundary between India and Pakistan. It is world's 17th largest desert. Thank you for everyone watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for more information about general knowledge. Thank you everyone.